Nara malakan yam kan azdala kontilian ka ruasni ka nur online TV channel biya kamal kenyam nara malwe ka ya ka dobran yen lerin kalin gwasame gor jeno biya video me biya jeling video me men chala days kelol gwadan rajatin kare video gan me biya tun walong biya kalin kamandana lade no shet kamen shaling ne video ndane shalare ne kenyam na me kola la mitene kamen ndang diok so biam dan lero do biya jelingten kan konure ler kan me mi jiram jidit kan online TV channel gore jeno jinder subscribe ko de notification bell de jotwain ko de lere de kan chamala shubkaji gwasa dana pai ka break roja me min sharo kun pin gwasa mo kaman shala de Ezekiel lol gwasa me roya chalat tiga tumanong ti chalat biya link chatani galat ka tuk English chatani galat ka tung nor so tuken video ko biya mandan chalat biya chuling men chalat very clear long and randa ja understand mandan lade so biya chuling agwa ani ka kor ye ban mutod ban jelo ya pin mutem de kon laten chana jeling kel
welcome thank you protocol observed. I would like you to be briefed. The death of Major Dak is being mourned by almost everybody in South Sudan. All the people of South Sudan, they really felt that they have lost a hero. As somebody who committed to this country with a lion heart, he fought for it and he died fighting for it. Personally, I was so touched. Adam Simon, we were on the phone. His Excellency Vice President Bolmel also we was on the phone with him. All of us, we have been talking to Comrade General Major Dak, all of us. There is one person, maybe you are not informed. There is a young man called Luke Buya. Luke was a nephew of Major. He was the one who has been bringing water to him in the tank. There were 5. 4 were killed, he remained only. I just talked to him the day before yesterday. I didn't know that he was alive. He really helped. Major died a hero. And we are proud of him. Number 1. Number 2, His Excellency President Salva Kiir Mayardit is a man of peace. In 2016, when we were in J1, the fight that had happened in J1 in 2016, if it was not because of Salva Kiir Mayardit, I would not be here now, I would have been a dead person. Salva protected us, including Young Machar, including Rob Lam, who is now in prison. General Toy would have been a dead person. He protected all of us. I was expecting Comrade First Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Riek Machar, to do the same to Major Dak, like what Salva Kiir did to him. I was expecting the same thing. But unfortunately, Major died a hero, a brave man. He did not surrender. But you are in the it has nothing to do with Nuer and Dinka. No. White Army is a criminal organization. We will deal with them, only them, not the community. And I have been engaging people in the diaspora. They have been telling me, Ezekiel, why are you bombing our people? I've been telling them now, where are you? You are in America? Okay, you organize a black army in America and go and attack Washington DC if they are not going to attack you. How can you expect the government of the Republic of South Sudan, and there is only one president of the Republic, Salva Kiir Mayardit, and he has to deploy his army in all the corners of the Republic of South Sudan to protect the territorial integrity of this republic. That is no exception. We are going to Burabiang, we are going to Jingmir, we are going to Akobo, we are going everywhere. And we are going and we are going. But for peace. Thank you very much.
is protected under our sovereignty, and therefore we have all the rights.
Shit kamen shaling wasame ka jode men chaladen Ezekiel Olgat quote shaling no shawa army chaje cholano jene terrorist organization anyoke ke pardon jwakaje shajene no chalado no bnewe ke jegmi bnewe ka kobo bnewe ka Nasser bnewe wine dialen content ray win ware ka bnewe alo bne jejen bor bne gor chewo gogano wone gwadami ka kwi mala kes pije dana yetup kan yen lingno lara jeno jaslo ay ko chana cha kanak ko lesait majurdak ni ko gwade dane cha jana ka jadong sha juste konte chetok sha kaling of course kore me dane chetok ka kore shekira larno cha majur cha jabi kon belief men me shikane jandang red bakkel antama na tigi chubu kana jan ngwan ke jandi jantama kana kada na kana nware and yet teram shi condolence message ja kam nware ngode tiga kel ke kirma yadi ta nakan nware naka ga ni tur na gana konde rande lo de jadalong ko chi majur dakar wade emana shi liu jate ne ngwani liuten ci poinin kan nware te kor shi liu ne to ngwan ka ci je den je jan mo bo ci liu bone so millet ken lo per ken na gor ken mal dong de kan right no ne diale lo den da kwach de kan lat but ci jan am te gaten lar ken o an why army a terrorist organization so bene deal ke je kon kirme yadit ci de je chelat re which ka so Sudan ke lu e de jan o ke ci national army ka ci unified force e de SSPD avla de jan jen ci wede che jang dial che kalpin re wi ka so Sudan ko eno gwada mo metera mi lok kirteno be kana ying nak che ma shane ne alone ti chicken let ke interest of the nation of the citizen tin konen kul tere wi ka so Sudan let ke interest ni ken kom let ken ke interest of ngade dung community ka ke dung dur dial tere wi ka so Sudan dio je che mal je kana no but the interest me bika jako bika teka power ke bika jare re kwarga manan tekitin shirke jo dan shalen gwada mo kaman chalat okay amene meton manager lat gwa ne tukda Ezekiel gar kot roje ke kwiwuda jane me shanek re wi kan Nasser jaro ken ke majuda gwa se dane ngoda kanane na ka jala kan roi ke je no ajene majure yero liade shanek lo yero ajene kirma yadit gwan mala ajene mitele kirma yadi chene liu kondial including Riang Machar chene liu kondial ko kirma yadi jen tegne okay jen gangne chene liu ntama ka jawrana chalat jene kondial tigda tit ka kirma yadi ajene rek che liu jere che majur che jagang gwase dane ngurateka but chiri ga jene chiri ma char che fail ko be gang so kujamo lia majur dak jene majur ero ko do rana chelat ke je a jene kuran tuok chi kam jane kanen wari na a jene kam wayam terrorist organization chole jejen borno ko jidwar ne te gang nan wari okay jene jejen bor ko ter kan chika ngat chikan ter ko wari but interest den korodian jen bine ga joira re yin diala konte ten kere yinware jen ba ju ka kobo ba ju ka Nasser ba ju ka Mayud ba ga ju ka wulang eno gwa ba tiketan na ba ga yid joj so charaj mo che ja kwen kiri che de de kele shela tare wi ka so Sudan charaj mo che jalat ajana wi so Sudan kele won tam tene keten so ngai ne ke mi yadi jala kore ne ma jala president dung South Sudan karwar tele president dadian okay chela do jejen bor ka jidwar ka kanang nat ka kujamo bi kuma ka joirar re wuje dana tiketen so jen jode manana shaling mi jiram jidit kan online TV channel ko link nyokon video ko bita danan chela reje bi ko link ko joje ka video manana lade min bi anga je long alabum badi men dana let jang kene dich dung Uganda kana network jen men yena mashika bok pan ka jikmir ka ngayena ko korgwa de chiwene shika bok ka wulang ka kwich torbar winimi chika bokten so ka kujamo kan kan tok na kan na so mi jen lat ko gwas me siasi nuare beje lonko dong de kan support mi shit kan mo ko na kan nuare ku kan na kan nuare en mi kwali choli jeje bor cha de choli jeje bor ken ke ngwana nuare gang nuare so chi cha a cha je politicide ko ken chiga politician so mi logo ni ju ni that chicken daw nuare kan bele nen ko na me mi chowo ko i logo ni point ngwana nuare ane bramo kwa dorien chi la da la ke je mi chi fail bo dorun ka dorun bote ke de dorun bodere tene ke je jen borbo ko ken kon la hali so te ram ken me dane chi jang me chi na ju ka le kan te kon te na gang so mean that enemy to ka halla je ya lo jogo so bom no re ke le te ka hal so mitala hali ba ka lo ko dong na ka position dit na mo ba backfire ka gwaden be ko ngai kon lat ko din la ri kan to kan rodian na kapchong so kujemo de na de kan raj ba lo tit kan rointen kon dong de nor community de kan na ke de nor community de ka jawon ya so na me jana na gordian lim an biata ka mal kwa jaw nyok ka gotch nyok video ka leng ma dan la de ane biata ka mal de satisfy ko ten kon la de all right bye bye